Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide, whether it's back pain, arthritis, or muscle stiffness. But here's the good news. Yoga is a natural, effective way to help manage and even reduce that pain. Yoga isn't just about flexibility. It's about creating a balance between your body and mind. When practiced regularly, yoga can help reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and calm your nervous system. Let's talk about how yoga works. First, yoga helps improve blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, reducing stiffness and tension. Second, yoga teaches you to breathe deeply. When you breathe deeply, your body releases tension and your mind becomes calmer. This can lower stress levels, which often make chronic pain worse. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not flexible enough for yoga. But the truth is, you don't have to be flexible. Yoga meets you where you are. Even simple movements can make a big difference. Let's start with a cat-cow stretch. This gentle movement helps loosen up your spine, which is great for back pain. Get on all fours, inhale as you arch your back, and exhale as you round your spine. Repeat slowly for a few breaths. Next is child's pose. It's a simple resting pose that stretches your lower back and hips. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Take slow, deep breaths here for 30 seconds. Lastly, try the legs up the wall pose. This pose helps with leg pain and improves circulation. Lie on your back and rest your legs against the wall. Close your eyes, relax, and breathe deeply for a few minutes. These poses might seem simple, but they can make a big difference in how you feel over time. Remember, the key is to be consistent. Practicing just 10 to 15 minutes of yoga a day can help reduce pain and improve your overall health. But it's not just about the poses. Yoga teaches you to listen to your body. When you're in tune with how you feel, you can better manage your pain and take control of your health. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Start slow. Don't push yourself too hard. Use props like pillows or blankets for extra support. Listen to your body. If something feels painful, stop. Consider working with a yoga instructor who understands chronic pain. Yoga isn't a quick fix, but it can help you live with less pain and more joy with time. Give it a try. You might be surprised by how much better you feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on managing chronic pain and living a healthier life. See you next time.